Mas grabe po kayo, siyempre. Paksan mo yung mga dito. At sana thank you so much for making this dream collaboration come true. And maraming salamat po siyempre for, you know, all the tips and everything you taught me. Oh, for sure ko lang po, of course, wala yung so much to me.
Wala yung tawal mo.
Dahil mahal na mahal ka namin. We all know how amazing you are. Amazing. Pero, what made me love you so much more is your heart. Grabe yung puso mo dahil every time I would see you, napaka-genuine na happiness lang every time na nagkita tayo. Sobrang akong bilib na mahal ka namin. At alam kong maraming bisada pa ay humble. Despite your greatness.
Thank you po.
Love you.
I love you too. Maraming salamat. I love you so much po. Thank you po. Grabe. Thank you. Gura po. Sige. Kumusta na? Hello po. Hello. Gusto niyo bang i-release namin officially? Yay! Survey lang. Let's joke lang. Pero, again, maraming salamat po sa my Barong family. And,